What's up, guys? Today I'm taking my wheel off, so trying to get into it. We're just gonna. Oh wait, I think I'm tightening it. Oh wait, crap. Yucky. Wait, I just need to flip this around. Okay. Yeah, so I got the bolt. So I got the bolts off. Okay, now I gotta get the other one. Okay. I'm just gonna unscrew it with my hands. It's pretty easy. Oop. Okay, so now we take the wheel off. Wait, no. Oh, wait, I didn't, no. Oh. That was by accident. And now you just lift, no wait, what? What's preventing this? Okay. I might damage that, but whatever. We need to get this thing. Yeah, this thing. So I got that. Guys, I got that. Now we did slide this one around. Yes, so I got it. Let's go. Okay, now we're just gonna shove this thing in. Okay, now you just. Yeah. What? Yeah, so this is the wheel. This is the tube. Now I gotta take it out. Okay, now I'm just gonna get the new tube, and the tire's 2x2. So I'm gonna get the 2x2 wheel thing. Okay, so I gotta take the cap off. And then we get this thingy. Oopsies. Yeah, so I did it. Make sure everything's behind. Okay. Now we're gonna unscrew this part. Where's the cap? And I think we just put it on somehow with the cap off. Okay, now I'm gonna put the cap on the nozzle. Wait, right here. Dude. Just push this around like that. I push this around like that. And now, we just put this back on over here. Yeah. Hopefully it fits. Wait. Oh no. It doesn't. Wait. Oh crap. Okay. Hopefully that worked. Okay. Now I go. So this little tab has to go in that hole up here, and so you just gotta do it like this. And then put it in the hole, and then you get the bolt, and then you just screw it on. Okay. Okay. Now you just screw it on tight. Real tight. Okay, and now we grab this part, and where's the bolt? Oh yeah, right here, and then we just screw that on. Okay, just screw that on. And that's how you change a bike tire thing. Now I gotta take the cap off and put air in. And I gotta put air in it. Okay. And now I put on, how do I,
By the book Rock Solid.
That is rock solid right there. And make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share and watch our other videos. And also share this family with friends and other people. So bye.